Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can compare items in the Emag app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Emag app. And tap on the second icon on the bottom. Open the products and select a category. For example, some t-shirts, and on the top you can see this search icon next to my search. You can see this search icon, and next to it you can see this balanced shaped icon on the top rightish corner. Tap on this balanced shaped icon, and you can compare four products at the same time. Tap on a plus. Then let's say I'm comparing this t-shirt, the second product, for example. Tap on your second icon, my second t-shirt, and tap on compare on the top right corner. Compare. And here you will have next one by one, for example, the brand, the size, the color, the material, the style, and here you can read about them. The price you can see. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.